Hello everyone, hope all is well. Today I will show you GoZen Content.AI tool. It's a SEO friendly content writing tool. As you see that you can research unlimited keywords and generate SEO content using 100 plus AI powered templates. If we go here, you will see that you can create a content by a human, but it will take too much time and effort. Even if you could write a content at a record pace, climbing to the top of those search results takes even more effort and expertise. But what if you had an AI powered platform that could do the keyword research to generate SEO friendly content for you? As you see that at a glance, so we can tell you that it is good for it is not only good, it is best for bloggers, content writers, marketers, and it is the alternative of Jasper. And you can integrate Google Docs easily here. And GoZen Content AI use AI to generate unique SEO content and graphics for any platform at scale. You can use AI to find keywords for your content and start improving your search engine rankings. Just enter a few details about your business and GoZen Content.AI will research keyword and topics trending in your industry. Generate relevant keywords or expand ones you already use and plug them right into your content. You will be able to see the average search volume and competition, as well as target specific countries, languages, and topics in your search. As you see that this is the insight feature of the content.ai, that is GoZen Content.ai. If you purchase this, you will get lots of features. It is very user friendly, so you can easily generate SEO friendly keywords and SEO friendly content, that is title, description, meta tags in a second. As you see that if you want to search anything, you just write it here and click on the search button, and you use template and the GoZen Content.ai Chrome extension to create SEO friendly content for any platform in minutes. This tool generates engaging copy that ranks and converts from landing pages to social media and marketing emails. Simply share a few details about your business and let the AI generate contents that works for your audience. You can even keep a backlog of content like social media captions, video scripts, and cold outreach emails. As you see that there is lots of features included here. Quickly create content for any platform using pre-built templates. So these all are the pre-built templates you will get after generating. So you can choose from the given templates, given tones. So you can just tune your expected one and you can use for your blog. Blogging is key to any digital marketing strategy. Now you can save time writing SEO blogs for your business. Generate outlines or full-length blogs in minutes with SEO-friendly title tags and meta descriptions. GoZen Content.ai always checks your spelling, grammar, and syntax. Plus, it can create content in multiple languages. So don't worry about language, don't worry about templates, don't worry about tones. So there are lots of plenty of alternatives here to choose from. And let the AI generate outlines and full-length SEO blogs. GoZen Content AI goes the extra mile by creating graphics for your content that will stand out online. So you don't need to think about the copyright issues of your graphics. So the AI will generate unique content, unique graphics, unique arts that you can use for your blogs. You can use AI to generate unique images in different visual styles, including 3D renders, paintings, and photorealism. All you need to do is add a short description, choose your art style, and watch the tool produce the exact image you need. As you see that there are lots of alternatives. This is the image generator of this tool. So what's the AI generated unique graphics for your content on the post on the spot? You don't need years of marketing expertise to launch a brand that gets noticed online. When it comes to SEO content, GoZen Content.AI takes care of all the research, writing, and optimization, so you can focus on strategy, produce more content in less time. Here there is some plans and features. As you see that you will get lifetime access to GoZen Content.ai, all features, advanced plans, updates. If you plan name changes, deal will be mapped to a new plan name with all accompanying updates. No codes, no stacking, just choose the plan that's right for you. You must active your license within 60 days of purchase. Ability to upgrade or downgrade between 5 license tiers. So tiers means you have 5 license types. As you see that if we go tier 1, that is $49 right now, and tier 2 is $99, tier 3 $199, tier 4 $299, and tier 5 is $499 US. And you will get unlimited project, unlimited language translations, unlimited workspace, frameworks, blog wizard, playground, 75 plus content templates, Chrome extension, landing page, documents, Google Doc integration, open AI, and proprietary models, all current features AI models. So you can have a look. If you go for tier 1, you will get all features above included: 30,000 word per month, 100 AI images per month, and one user can use it. 1 GB total image storage will be there. And if you go for tier 2, it will cost you $99 only. All features above included, that is we discussed a few minutes ago, and 60,000 words per month, 200 AI images per month, and 5 users can use it, and you will get 2 GB image storage space. And if you go for tier 3, that is the best option, and one time purchase, all of these are one time purchase, so it's a lifetime service for you. You will get lifetime service from them. And here in tier 3 you will get all features above included, plus 1,60,000 words per month, 300 AI images per month, 10 users can use it, and you will get 3 GB total image storage. So what are you waiting for? You will see that there is lots of positive reviews here, and if you want to grow your blog, grow your business, and want to create unique content, unique image for your blog, and to grow your blog, or to generate more traffic and more SEO friendly content, then there is no alternative than GoZen Content.ai. So if you want to purchase this, you can have a look in my description. I have given there the purchase link, so you can have a visit there. So hope you all are well. Thank you so much, and thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.